requires for her restaurant. Because Tiana, she is my Evangeline.
Anything you want, sugar. Fuck her up, buttercup.
Yeah.
Wait!
Tiana,
Tiana? Don't do this.
I have to do this, and we are running out of time.
I won't let you.
It's the only way to get to your dream.
My dream? My dream wouldn't be complete without you in it. I love you, Naveen.
What's an all?
What's it all? All my life, I read about true love and fairy tales. And Tia, you